Welcome back to Idaho. Today, the open enrollment period is ending soon. So whether you are reviewing your current plan or you're enrolling for the first time, Select Health is here with you to give you the right tools to make the best decision for you and your family. We are joined right now by Trent Nate. So great to see you, my friend.
Likewise. Thank you for having me.
Okay, so for those who are not familiar with Select Health, tell us, who are you?
I'm glad you asked. So Select Health is an award-winning, not-for-profit health insurance company, and we serve over 1 million members in 4 states, including Idaho. Just celebrated our 40th anniversary, so been around and thrilled to be in Idaho.
Okay, and then open enrollment, right? Time is of the essence because we're currently in the middle of that. But give some important dates that viewers really need to keep in mind when it comes to enrolling for their health care.
There's really one date, December 15th.
All right.
So you got to have your decision locked in by December 15th for all of 24's plan benefits.
Okay, I have to talk about the elephant in the room, which is rising costs, right? We're all feeling it right now. So what should people keep in mind when they're selecting a health plan that could save them some money as they head into 2024?
Absolutely. This one's a big question, right?
Yeah.
So a few things I'll mention. One is making sure that you identify whether or not you qualify for a tax subsidy. Over 80% of Idahoans actually qualify for premium assistance through tax credits. So that's the first and probably biggest thing there. Secondly, make sure that you're getting the lowest cost for your prescription drug and medications. We provide some really valuable resources to that end. One's called RX Saving Solutions. We also have a partnership with Mark Cuban Cost Plus program as well to save money on prescription drugs. Thirdly, shop for low-cost care locations. And that's a big one. We have a cost estimator tool. It's probably our most heavily used tool in our mobile app, and so that's a big one. And the last thing I'll mention, which is really unique to us, is we give members up to $240 a year towards gym membership, yoga, even acupuncture. So that's a way to save some money as well.
That's fantastic. Yeah. Okay, even acupuncture.
Yeah.
Love that, because I know a lot of people like to take advantage of that.
Absolutely.
All right, so though, also help us, if, let's say I don't go to the doctor very much, should I really consider enrolling in a healthcare plan for 2024?
That's an easy one. The answer is absolutely. Two reasons.
Okay.
First, it's going to provide you with peace of mind and protect you in an unexpected health event. So that's a big one. Secondarily, it's also going to help you stay healthy. A good health insurance product is going to provide things like no-cost telehealth, as well as no-cost preventive care. So it's going to make sure that you stay healthy in addition to that protection I mentioned.
Yeah, I love that, because then you know that your yearlies are covered, right?
Exactly.
And most coverage is like 100%, like you just said.
Absolutely, no cost.
Yeah, and that's the importance when it comes to staying healthy.
Totally, yep.
All right, so you got to have the health coverage so you can do that. All right, so what should people, though, also keep in mind when they're trying to evaluate their health insurance plan options? Because I think that's where things get a little confusing, if you will.
Absolutely, it can be overwhelming.
Yeah.
So a few key things. One, make sure your doctors are in the network on your plan. Make sure your prescriptions are covered, obviously is a big one. Make sure your plan benefits make sense for your needs. And the last thing I'll mention, I think it's important to choose a company that's going to take care of you. As you'd mentioned, health insurance can be complicated and frustrating. And so you want to find a company that provides you the great digital tools to make things easy and simple for you. Also, when you call customer service, do they answer? Do they speak Idaho?
I like that. Do they speak
Are they going
Idaho?
to resolve your issue? And so that's a big one. And lastly, when you use your health insurance, are they going to make the experience as seamless as possible? And I'm really happy and actually proud to say that Select Health checks the box in every one of those.
That's fantastic. And then also, though, too, when it comes to navigating some of the language, is there support through Select Health? Like, how do they find somebody to talk to and get that guidance? What do they do?
Call us. We have what we call the answer team. They're folks that are really dialed in on this stuff and can help answer any myriad of questions. We also encourage folks to engage with an agent locally. We have a phenomenal agent community, and Your Health Idaho is a phenomenal resource for folks as well, particularly as it relates to finding out what that tax subsidy would be, but also can assist in helping find the right plan as well.
Wonderful. And then, Trent, where can people go so they can learn more about Select Health and get signed up before that very important date, which is
December 15th.
December 15th.
Yes.
Oh, it's just around the the corner. You're stressed about the holidays. Take this at least off of the list of to-dos, right?
Absolutely.
Just get on the phone, take care of this now, and they can go into the holidays just with one less burden on your shoulder.
Weight off, yeah.
Yes, the weight off your shoulders. Again, so where do people go to learn more?
Call us, go to selecthealth.org. Like I said, Your Health Idaho is also a really valuable resource.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Greatly
Thanks for
appreciate it.
having us.
All right, everyone stick around. More to come here on Idaho Today right after the break.